Hey everyone! Do you love flags? Today we're going to play a game. It's like a quiz, but easy. We'll show you pictures of flags and you guess what country they belong to. Some might be familiar, some might be new. Ready to learn and have fun? Let's go! Question 1. Correct answer C. Ivory Coast. Second question. Correct answer B. Singapore. Third question. Correct answer C. Bolivia. Fourth question. Correct answer is Switzerland. Fifth question. Correct answer B. Bhutan.
Please like the video. Please subscribe the channel.